The heritage of Holophane begins in the early 1890s when Andre Blondel worked to invent the first use of prisms to cover a light source. This produced a new level of control and visual comfort for the lighting industry. Otis Mygat later acquired the patent for this new technology and founded the Holophane Glass Company in 1898. The name Holophane comes from the Greek words holos and phanon, which translate to holy luminous appearance. Nearly 125 years later, as part of the Acuity brand's family, Holophane continues to apply these principles of lighting control to lead the industry in durable, high-performance lighting. Today, we know that lighting can account for a substantial portion of an organization's operational costs. These costs are a combination of initial purchase, installation, energy consumption, maintenance, and often even safety issues. Holophane designs and manufactures industry-leading solutions to address all these expenses, offering the lowest total cost of ownership for your lighting needs. Holophane offers indoor and outdoor lighting customers with solutions that meet or exceed a whole host of demanding challenges. These challenges reach far beyond lighting performance and into environmental and physical stress. A popular motto among the Holophane team is the hotter, dirtier, or wetter the environment, the more you need our product. That's why industrial and infrastructure customers around the world turn to Holophane when lighting a wide variety of applications. At the core of the Holophane value proposition is a commitment to visual comfort through the use of premium components and precision optics. With highly skilled optical engineers and complete glass manufacturing facilities, we have total control of how our products can manipulate light and provide the best performance and visual comfort possible.
Our prismatic glass optics also provide the highest level of durability with the lowest possible performance degradation from dirt and aging.
Ultimately, our lighting products provide a wholly luminous appearance that provides sparkling beauty by day and visual comfort by night. One of the most important benefits of choosing Holophane lies in our unique consultative approach to sales and service. Holophane fields a national force of factory direct sales representatives that are highly trained experts in lighting design and application. They can assist you as much as needed to ensure you have the right solution for the job. Utilizing energy-efficient LED products from Holophane can help us all to reduce our carbon footprint and do our part in protecting the environment. Acuity Brands is committed to reducing carbon emissions for our customers and extends this commitment to our own facilities and operations. As you can see, the long, rich heritage of Holophane tells a powerful story of innovation and commitment to the needs of our customers. We hope you'll consider Holophane for your next lighting project and enjoy the benefits of achieving your lowest total cost of lighting ownership. For more information, visit us online or contact your local Holophane representative.